videos of Speed app, and I solved QBank and some few books also I did for INI specific MCQ textbooks for the preparation. Speed app. So that I think that helped me the most. Really like to thank them a lot. They were supporting me, motivating me throughout my INISS preparation.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed and team of Speed to Dr. Sakshi Bansal for scoring a very good rank of 17 in MCS plastic surgery in iniss April session 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. Now, can we know a brief background history about Dr. Sakshi, where she started till date, what all she has done to achieve what she is today?
Yes, sir, I am basically from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I have done my UG and PG, MBBS from MP only, and MS surgery from Indore. And then I joined a SRship in plastic surgery at MGM Medical College, Indore. And then I appeared for the INISS April, and I got a rank of
Wow.
17.
Too good, too good. Nice to hear. Great accomplishments. Fantastic. Back to back, back to back, back to back. Good. Now, what was your working strategy? What you did to achieve this?
So basically, I joined, like, I gained a lot of knowledge of plastic surgery from the SRship. Like in general surgery, we were exposed only to some cases. But in this government institute where I did my SRship on a daily basis on the grand rounds in the OTs, they used to teach me about all the basics of plastic surgery. And then I started reading Rap and Smith's particular videos of Speed app, and I solved QBank and some few books also I did for INI, Alan Shawn and Rajiv Agarwal, the specific MCQ textbooks for the preparation. So that I think that helped me the most.
Fantastic. And number of questions you were able to attend this exam?
Sir, I attempted 78 out of 80.
Okay.
55 were of plastic surgery and the rest were of general surgery.
So the questions that you left are from general surgery or plastic surgery?
So biostats I left. Both of them were biostats.
Okay, so it's good to leave.
Yes, sir, it was very typical. Like I haven't heard of it.
Okay. So what will be your advice for the future aspirants of MCS plastic surgery if they want to do that?
Sir, for all the general surgery candidates, I want to just tell them that during the residency period, if you get the exposure of any plastic surgery cases, like the reconstructive cases, or during our super specialty postings during the general surgery period, then just try to gain as much as you can and try to develop the interest for the branch first. And be consistent and be positive and don't be discouraged if any particular like plastic surgery is an innovative branch, so you won't be able to get it at the first attempt, but just be consistent, believe in yourself and be positive.
Be positive. Be positive. Yes, always be positive. Good.
Yes.
Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career. You can use the platform to thank everybody.
Sir, I'm very grateful to my consultants over this residency period, senior residency, Dr. Jubin, and who is also from PGI Chandigarh, and Dr. Saurabh, who is from Jipmar, and Dr. Mridul, who is from AIMS Jodhpur. So I would really like to thank them a lot. They were supporting me, motivating me throughout my INSS preparation. Even in the stage two practical exam, they gave me the MCH university exam textbooks to read that books, the book of Dr. Veena Singh, which is specifically for the practical exam. So I read that book. And of course, my parents, my friends, my colleagues, and my JRs for helping me during my preparation.
Very nice. You took time out to thank everybody. Hope you share this video to them. They'll see very, very happy to listen to you. Okay. So once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and a wonderful and a fabulous career in MCS
Thank,
plastic surgery. Best wishes to you.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.